OneKey Wallet Gas Fee Customization. How to edit gas price in OneKey Wallet. Now, to edit the gas price or customize transaction fees in the OneKey app, what you want to do is first initiate a transfer or swap for your chosen token within the OneKey app. So here I can just go to the trade section, and let's say I want to trade certain amount of Ethereum, in this case, two different type of cryptocurrency, and I want to confirm everything. And what I have to do is I have to proceed until you reach the final transaction confirm preview page. When you're on that page, you can tap on the current fee or speed indicator displayed on the screen. Then choose from the preset network speed models or switch to manual or custom configuration. Then for networks like Ethereum using EIP 1559, modify the priority fee or max fee to your target GUI amount. Then verify your adjustments and submit the transaction. This way you can edit the gas price in OneKey Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.